We did it! We did it! I just displayed sunlight into 7 colors at home without using a prism and without you spending a single penny. And the best part, everything I used is already lying around in your house. You need a medium-sized tub, water, a mirror, and a wall or a white screen. That's it. First, take a tub and fill it with water. Now take a mirror and submerge it in the water. Do this in daytime because we need sunlight as our light source. Now adjust the submerged mirror so it reflects sunlight onto a wall or a screen. At first, you might see a messy reflection. So wait a few seconds. Let the water become still. And now look at that. A bright reflection. And sunlight splits into 7 wonderful colors. Now let's understand what's going on. When sunlight enters water, the light changes speed. Because water is optically denser than air, because of that change, the light bends. This bending is called refraction. The direction of bending is predicted by Snell's law. Snell's law is equals to n1 into sin theta 1 is equals to n2 into sin theta 2, where n1 and n2 are refractive indices, how strongly the medium bends light. And theta 1 is the incident angle and the theta 2 is the refracted angle. Here comes the key idea. White sunlight is not just one type of light, it's made of many wavelengths. And different wavelengths bend by different amounts when they pass through water. This is called dispersion. Red light bends little less, while violet bends little more. So instead of one reflected beam, you get a set of different colors landing on different position on the wall. That's why you see a spectrum. And yes, people say 7 colors. But the spectrum is actually continuous. We just group it into 7 because it's easier to name and remember. Now here is the crazy part. This same idea was demonstrated by Isaac Newton more than 350 years ago, but using a prism. Back in the 1660s, Newton suspected sunlight wasn't pure white. And honestly, he probably got inspired by the one thing in the nature that reveals it instantly. Rainbows. So what did Newton do? He took a narrow beam of sunlight and passed it through a prism. And just like a rainbow, the light spread out into colors. But Newton didn't stop there, because someone could argue maybe the prism is creating the colors. So he did a brilliant test. He took a second prism, flipped it the opposite way and passed the spread out colors through it. And when those separated colors recombined, he got white light again. That was the proof. The prism wasn't adding colors. It was revealing what was already inside sunlight. So today you repeat the spirit of Newton's experiment with just water and mirror. No prism, no expensive setup. If you try this, tell me in the comments, did you get a full rainbow or only a few colors at first? And if you want, I'll show you best angles, the best distances, and how to make colors sharper and brighter, because science is not something you watch. Science is something you do. Thank you for watching this video.